So I'm in my Tagcash wallet now. I'm just going to buy some Bitcoin with my peso balance. So I'm just going to go more, buy cryptocurrency. I'm going to buy 0.0001, 120 pesos worth or so. I'm going to buy now, confirm it. So let's go back to my wallet, and you can see I've got some more in there. So you can display the Bitcoin as Sats or Bitcoin. So from here I'm going to transfer to an external Satoshi wallet using Lightning Network. So I'll just send, and then I'd send via Lightning. So before I do that, let's go switch to the Satoshi wallet. I'm going to receive, let's say, no, I can put that in dollars or something, but I'm just going to put in, say, 1,000 sats, about 20 cents. I'm just going to tap to copy it, go back, send via Lightning, and then just paste it there. I can scan or I can just paste it. And I'm just going to send it. And you can see in my, there we go, received. That's in the wallet of Satoshi. And there's various other Lightning wallets. Conversely, if I want to send from a wallet into Tagcash, I can, let's go back here. Can receive via Lightning. Type in, okay, let's say 500 sats this time. Create. I can copy that, and again I can scan it if I wanted to from here. I'm going to use what's on the clipboard, pay it, and back over here it is now paid. And the last thing I'll show you is back on the peso wallet. I'm going to receive Lightning, Bitcoin via Lightning, and it's going to convert it automatically into pesos. So I'm going to say I want 20 pesos. It's going to create the invoice. I'm going to copy it back over in my wallet, send. I'm going to use what's in the clipboard, and then I'm going to pay it. And that's it. Let's go back over here, and that's been paid. And you can see that in the transactions. You'll be able to see it received here. So that's Bitcoin and Filipino pesos interacting with other wallets using the Lightning Network.